Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our In a Minute course. This is Hanaa Said. Let's dive in. Do you want to speak clearly, sound confident, and have fun while you're doing it? Welcome to our Phonics Tongue Twister in a Minute, where we twist your tongue and sharpen your speech, all in just 1 minute. This course combines phonics and tongue twister to help you master tricky sounds, improve pronunciations, and speak fluently. Each session is short, fun, and packed with powerful practice. Let's talk about phonics. Phonics is a way of teaching reading by linking letters to their sounds, helping learners decode and pronounce words correctly. For example, we have cat, k, a, t, cat. What about tongue twister? Tongue twister is a phrase or sentence that is difficult to say quickly and correctly because of similar sounds or tricky word patterns. They are often used for fun, speech practice, and improving pronunciations. You may ask a question now. Who benefits from tongue twisters? Number one, kids, to learn how to say words clearly, to have fun while practicing speaking. Number two, language learners, to get better at saying new sounds, to make their speech smoother. Number three, speakers like actors or public speakers, to speak more clearly in their job. Number four, everyone, to speak more fluently. Let's practice together. Are you ready? Let's go. Today we are going to talk about letter B as in sound. Now we can listen first.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Let's start slow and speed up as we go. Peter Piper pecked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper pecked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where is the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper pecked? Faster, it's a tongue twister. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper pecked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where is the peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper pecked? Keep going and test your tongue. Let's have a great practice together. Bye.